old storm door, security door, is being replaced with a new security door and interior door.
Oh sure, people were calling in, people were texting in, oh these guys are idiots. Yeah.
The whole frame had to be torn out.
High fidelity sound. When you're listening on the phone, you get a second.
Some of the soffit came down.
Not as easy as
The deadlight above was all rotted out. That had to be taken
More
out.
information. It's at WMGK.com. Just click on where it says Playboy Mansion.
One thing has sold more Joseph A. Bank suits than anything else. A mirror. And right now, during Joseph
The whole
A. Bank's
frame has to be
3 times the
replaced.
suit sale, you look 3 times better.
Part of the new frame is going up. It's being glued and screwed to the old.
He's come to believe he's fast at everything. That's because earlier today, Scott Moty's lawn with a Toro Time Cutter Z. With its zero turning radius and unmatched ability.
Frame's built. Capping is going up. Inside doors in. And then the security door is going on. And then we gotta build something for up top there. La finished product.